641 cover call, 570 back. Go welfare check 14.
Just take it to court then. That's okay.
Okay.
All right.
Never get out. You can get out.
For what?
You're going to jail.
For what?
Get out of the
Oh!
car.
For what?
For your damn mouth, dummy!
I'm gonna get out of the. I will get out of the
I'm gonna
vehicle.
cut your
I will
seatbelt.
get out. Let me get out. Oh my God, this is
That's a girl with the
absolutely
seatbelt.
ridiculous.
No, it's not.
Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Food Nigga. We are biggity back with another banger and brand new, might add. Banger reaction video brought to you by the people, by the people, by the people, by the people, for us, by us. Fubu Top Vibes. Fubu, yeah, Fubu. Yeah, for us, by us. Type vibes. If you know Fubu, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, Google it. You feel me? That's what Google's for. Shout out to my people, though. How my people doing today? Yeah, I'm doing great, man. I'm at a 9.27, 9.6. You know what I'm saying? How you doing today? Hope you had a great day at work. Hope you got home safely. You know what I'm saying? I hope you spending time with your family. Or if it's you by yourself, I hope you enjoying the peacery. You know what I'm saying? Some people choosing peace over everything. And I'm with all of the smokery when it comes to that. Peace over everything for me these days. So I hope you're getting that. And I hope you're relaxing, chillaxing, watching videos on YouTube, watching your favorite boy, you know what I'm saying? Your favorite family member get down, because you guys sent me the videos to react to. Which brings me into what we about to get into, a video y'all sent me. When a hothead threatens the police. Man, we're going to see how it goes. Some police officers, when you threaten them, they go type crazy on you. And then some of them sit there and go back and forth like they scared of you. I don't know which one we're going to get, but we're going to tap into it. But before we get into that, we got to check on our people's meepers, man. So get down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let us know, how are you doing? Mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. And I don't care if you're going through something right now. Your attitude dictates how you're going to get through that, because you got to go through it to get through it, right? So your attitude actually dictates how you're going to get through that. You know what I'm saying? If you want to be down in the dumps and this, that, it's going to be a rougher time. If you have an attitude which is positive, you know what I'm saying? Even though I know it's going to be hard, it's going to be a little bit easier. You know what I'm saying? Just walking with faith. You know what I'm saying? Walking with faith is going to get you a long way, rather than just, you know, misery love company. You want to get the phone calls and, oh my God. Man, listen. Talk that life into me. Speak that life into me positive. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm basically saying to my people, whatever you are going through, please keep a positive mindset that God wouldn't put you through nothing that you know you could handle. At the end of the day, that's what I'm saying. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and get to the video. I mean, she looked like a nurse. I ain't gonna lie. So the nurse, this is how the nurses getting there. I know we got a couple nurses in our chattery, okay, in our community. So, she gonna make y'all look bad? I mean, she's in backseat of a car. Just for my late night workers that are watching me on YouTube at night. I'm watching you. You know what I'm saying? Let's go and tap to the video though.
On May 27, 2025, an officer stopped a vehicle that was reported to be driving recklessly.
Somebody yelling? Punch her in the face, what? Oh, I see that Tesla though. What is going on? She's in the middle of the road.
She was? No.
Oh, she said she gonna punch the cop in the face.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you have a bad experience at Pinellas County Sheriff's Office?
I have a lot of experience.
You're going to have another one if you don't calm down.
No,
Hello?
I can't calm down. I'm so beyond fed up right now. Like, this is actually ridiculous.
It sounds like you're just getting a ticket.
That's fine.
And then you can go about your way.
She can surely write me a ticket since she wanted to follow me since she's bored.
Boy.
What's going on?
That's
Okay.
completely fine.
Take
she
it to
can see
court.
me in court. Yes,
Take it to
she
court.
can see me in court.
But
That's
if-
absolutely absurd.
If you
that
battle
she's
us-
gonna follow
if
me
you battle us out
into
here,
my neighborhood,
You're going to lose.
because she wanted to get me a ticket.
She was the one from the boat.
Hey, hold on.
And she...
He said exactly. Listen up closely.
You're going to lose.
Because she wanted
Hold
to
on.
get me a ticket.
No. Watch this. Listen to what he says.
If you
That
battle
she's
us,
gonna follow
if
me
you battle us out
into
here,
my neighborhood,
you're going to lose.
because she wanted to.
All right. What do I always say? You cannot beat them in the field. So cut it out. You're never going to beat them in their field. Take it to court, whatever you got to do, but you're not going to win in the field with them. He said exactly what I'll be saying every video. You're not going to win. And he's letting you know off rip.
Get me a ticket.
She was the one from the BOLO.
Okay.
And she was going in here. She did a stop bar violation, so I stopped her.
You can still do welfare check based on the BOLO. Why is she all hot?
Because as soon as I pulled up, that's what I walked up to. She's yelling. And as I'm sitting here, she's saying she's going to punch me in the face.
I didn't even have to keep driving, but she was following me.
When you were sitting in your car, she was yelling at you?
She was on the phone with her mom. She's yelling, I'm going to punch her in the face. She's
On the
gonna
phone with her mama.
I'm going to go to jail today, Mom.
What's the ticket for?
For failure to stop. I stopped past the stop sign, apparently, at that one right there. Apparently.
Okay, we'll go to court.
I will go to court. But this is absolutely ridiculous. Following me for what?
I have no idea. I don't know why she was following you. Maybe there was something else about your car she didn't like. No idea.
I just got into an accident because somebody failed to stop at a stop sign and hit me. So my car doesn't drive perfectly right now.
Hey, zoom in on that
So you're
facery.
mad?
Shut up. So you get mad somebody did what you just did. Went past the stop sign, you got pulled over for going past the stop sign. Make it make sense. Lady, you better calm down. You're a whole nurse. Do you be like this in the field and a nurse? I don't want you as my nurse. Calm the freak down. You just sound crazy. You sound crazy right now. I ain't gonna lie. I'm tasing you right now because I know where you about to go with it.
Her for enforcing
I'm
something
mad
that
at her for following me for no reason.
Okay, well you can't threaten
So
to-
you guys can just
you
sit
can't-
there and
you can't-
follow
you
people?
You can't threaten to punch us either.
So you guys can just sit there and
understand
follow
what I'm saying?
people for no reason.
You can't-
Without a reason to do so?
Sure.
641 cover call, 572 back. Go welfare
That's
check
fine. We'll
14.
just take it to court then. That's okay.
Okay.
All right.
Never get out. You can get out.
For what?
You're going to jail.
For what?
Oh!
Car.
For what?
For your damn mouth, dummy.
I'm gonna get out of the. I will get out of the
I'm gonna
vehicle.
cut your
I will
seatbelt.
get out. Let me get out. Oh my God, this is
That's a girl with the
absolutely
seatbelt.
ridiculous.
No, it's not.
Take your way in your
It's
car.
absolutely
Since it
ridiculous
broke
because
down.
you're threatening to punch one of my
Okay.
deputies in the
Yes.
face.
Cool. Just stop pulling my hair.
4 eyes. Cut it out.
There you go. Walk here. She's going in your car.
I mean, they got 3 women out there.
Yep.
Okay. Well, she can come and get your car if you want.
Okay, cool.
Or we can tow it. I mean, it doesn't matter to me.
Well, you can't just leave it.
All right. Well, we'll tow it then.
No, just have her come get it.
All right.
5 cops for one person? That is crazy. Oh my God. I'm walking just fine.
Well, I understand.
Just tell me what to do and I can do it. You don't need to touch me.
I had a hard time doing that before, so.
You guys gave me one direction to do. And didn't even give me 0.2 seconds to get out of the car. So,
Point.
yeah.
Hello? Anyone still on the phone? Nope. Okay. Keys. Wallet. What's your code so we can call your mom?
I think she's right there.
Okay. The black pickup truck?
Yeah. That's her boyfriend. Yes, please record. Because they've already manhandling the out of me.
You gonna turn it with your mama when your mama pull up.
25 feet away.
Okay.
And then if they want to take the car, has to give his driver's license.
All right, so you got to stay 25 feet away according to Florida law. Yeah.
Bullshit.
Yeah, that's a new law.
That is not a new law.
That is a new
Let
law.
me see that. Where is that?
Look
Let
it
me see
up.
what's
Are you about to
written.
go to jail
Now,
too?
if you want to take her vehicle, you can take her vehicle.
I want to know what is going on.
I'm getting arrested for threatening them, apparently.
No, that's
I
what
want
you
to know
did.
the whole situation. That
She got stopped for
Please.
traffic.
okay?
Apparently,
In her neighborhood.
She's been
In her
A-
neighborhood. So you
a
stop people
neighborhood.
in their neighborhood?
a neighborhood.
No, a neighborhood is her neighborhood. So
Okay.
don't say a neighborhood. This is her neighborhood.
Does it make you
Okay.
feel better if I say her neighborhood?
Right.
Go ahead.
Don't touch me. Anybody else can deal with me but you, bitch.
Let me check.
She's gonna get cited. She didn't agree with the violation. She threatened to punch
What's your name?
What's my name?
Yeah. Identify yourself.
Deputy Mike Valenti.
Okay.
61652.
Okay. And you too?
Deputy Figicelli, 59060.
Okay.
And what's your name?
I don't even need to identify.
You're 25 feet away.
Okay, but I want to.
You're going to go to jail too.
Sir.
25 feet away.
I'm well.
We're giving
this
you a
isn't
lawful
25.
order to stay
This is
outside of
25.
this
This
investigation,
is
okay? This is your final warning. This is a new law. If you interfere with this investigation, you will go to jail.
All right.
You understand? You have been warned, as it is
You guys got
stated in the statute that is required.
A little power trip right now going, aren't we?
We're not done recording with our cell phones.
Bro.
Yes, you are recording.
I didn't say
Yes, you just. I'm not the one recording.
with my cell phone.
Do
Well,
you have your driver's
okay.
license on you, or are you trying to take the car?
I am going to take the car.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you? I got to make sure that you are valid. Can you take it out for me?
You not even her real daddy, sir. You're her stepdaddy, and I could tell you guys don't hold her accountable. And you know she acts like this. This ain't nothing new to you guys. You know it. She probably runs you guys in your house. So it's her neighborhood, so she can't get stopped. It's on the road. Like I said, if you're not gonna be in the air in your sorcery, you're on the road with us. Just because you live in that neighborhood means she can't be stopped because she's in that neighborhood, right? Make it make sense, sir. You need to hold her accountable for having a bad and a rude attitude. You know what I'm saying? Cut it out, sir. Like, what are you on?
Oh my god, you think you're so big and bad and above everything else. That's crazy. You think you're so cool. Because you're a police officer.
Ugh.
Crazy.
Why are you talking like that?
You're just nothing.
Crazy
Stop that.
psycho?
Every time I'm going to videotape.
429 valid, please.
Good. Shows that we're doing our job. Appreciate it.
Maybe.
You wasn't even
Harassing
there.
people in
What
their
the fuck are you
neighborhood.
talking about?
You're not even telling me the full story, so.
I just did.
You did not. You just said.
You just don't want to listen.
You just said something in the neighborhood. Okay, all lawful what? What did she do?
She rolled the stop sign.
What stop sign did she roll?
Wasn't here for it.
Do you have your license on you? She wants you to take the car.
You already have. I got the.
Okay.
I got Eden running it right now. She's gonna throw it in the call notes.
Okay, she said that you can take the car. We just got to verify your license and then you can get on out of here. Okay?
Fine.
Give us just a minute.
Y'all ain't got nothing better to do with yourself. Because there's nobody, committing real crimes or anything.
This is the same.
Okay. Oh, well, I'm not going to throw mine up on YouTube later.
I'm not going to throw mine on YouTube either.
Okay.
I'm not that guy. I'm the guy that's trying to figure out what's going on when she calls hysterical, so. That's the guy I am.
Had to call 5 cops over one girl. You're crazy. Oh my god. Can't handle shit, huh? You can't handle nothing. Absolutely crazy.
How about if I tase you? Let me see if you can handle that.
Yes, sir.
Because you caught me at the worst possible time. Like, I was already having the worst day possible, and then you were like, if it's the fact that you were following me, that shit irked me so bad. And then failure to stop at the stop sign, stopping past it, barely.
I don't threaten strangers.
Well, shouldn't have followed me.
What is
Yeah, she's a hothead, so.
That
Oh,
was insane
really,
for the
sir?
deputy. We
Really?
actually were in the area because we got a
Goofy?
call of a reckless driver, Bolo. They gave her exact vehicle description and tag and saying that she was in the area of Starkey. So my deputy just happened to be in the exact area, sees the car pull into the neighborhood. In addition, she runs a stop sign. That's the reason for the traffic stop. And she was just she was a hothead. So
So why did you even come up acting like that? What did I tell you? I just said he knew you knew she acted like this. You said, well, she is a hothead. So won't you hope, sir, you about as good. You are dumb. Because now you cowering down, knowing you came in too hot, knowing she acts like this. So now you kind of like, oh yeah, now she's a hothead. I know she's a hothead. Sir, you knew that. You so stupid, sticking up for something like this instead of saying, I'm just gonna here to take the car. She's a hothead. She get what she deserves. She needs to be held accountable for some things because we obviously don't do it. Dummy, I can tell. I don't even know this lady. I can tell she's a hothead. I was already having a bad day, and so what? That does not give you the right to go off and treat people a certain way because you having a bad day. You should maybe change your attitude, change your mindset, change your life. Some days you're gonna have some fucked up days. Who cares? That doesn't mean go around and, you know what I'm saying, make everybody else's day bad and think people take things out on you. You need to go handle your internal situation. How about that? Bro, this be goofy, man. But people put themselves in cuffs all the time. Sometimes not even officers, it's people.
All because you think you're so big and tough.
No, that's what you
That's
think you are.
crazy. It's funny, actually. It's quite funny. Failure to stop at the stop sign because you stopped past it. Oh, you're absolutely ridiculous. It's okay. Maybe one day you'll have a life, and then you'll feel good about yourself without having to bring other people down over nothing. Or maybe one day you'll actually be a real cop and get to fight real crime. That would be cool, huh? Because I'm sure that's probably why you got into this, was to do some real crime. No? Have you? Why? Just because I'm talking down on you means that I was diagnosed with something?
Yeah, baby. For sure you were. We know it.
Because, you know, not like you'd have anything better to do with yourself. But no, you want to follow people and do whatever you can to get your quota. I know how it works at the end of the month. It's alright. Hopefully you met it.
You're acting like you didn't roll the stop sign. I don't understand. And then you acting like you didn't threaten a police officer. Like, I don't understand. So there would be no, I mean, you was going to get a ticket, baby. You did what you did. But you're not going to hold yourself accountable. You're going to blame somebody else. And yes, you were diagnosed with something. I don't even know you, and I know you were diagnosed. Your parents know you were diagnosed. They know you're a high head. They know you're crazy. You're trying to talk down to a police officer when you the one that's been through some things. You know what I'm saying? Now you try to take it out like you the big bad when somebody bullied you in school. Some man cheated on you a couple times, and I can see why. Okay? You're the person that probably want to stick it in you, and then I want to leave you. I'm staying at your house. I don't even want to date you. I'm just here for a good time, not a long time. You ran into a couple of them. Nobody wants you. Nobody wants to keep you. So then you try to talk down to other people to make you feel good. I know you're kind. Man, cut it out. You full of cap, man, and things. Are you following me? What if we all said that? Cut the fuck. You're exhausting. And I wish you would have stopped talking like that. It made you sound even more crazy. It actually made you sound psychotic, to be honest with you. I ain't gonna lie. I do know you were diagnosed with something. The officer knows you were diagnosed with something because normal people just don't act like that. They just don't. I get my ticket and I'm like, it is what it is. Oh, shit. Well, I'm saying I rolled the stop, but apparently, don't throw that word in there. Oh! Some people irritate my soul. And that's on my soul. You feel me? Check down in the comment section. Tell me she wasn't irritating. Tell me she wasn't just aggravating. Tell me she should have been tased a couple times just to shut her up. Since she thinks she's so bad and bold, she's gonna put some hands on me. I'm gonna put this motherfucker up in your fundio. Then we're gonna have fundio. It's your boy Fuster, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. On to the next one. You know, we rolling them out, knocking them down, keep sending them to me. We're gonna keep doing our thing. We're gonna keep on happy. We're gonna keep on giggling because we like giggling. I'm gonna get a little money. It's gonna be signs when I get a little money. You know what I'm saying? I get a little money. I might, you know what I'm saying? Just joking. I'm broke as two motherfucking jokes. It's your boy Fushi. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I'm out this motherfucker.